Sleep. It has the power to determine the rest of your day, positively or negatively. Your mood, your attitude, even your overall health are all strongly tied to how well you sleep. So why tolerate poor sleep any longer? It's time to get cozy with the Oreous pillow. The only pillow designed to perfectly adjust to your exact preference. Finding the right pillow is the most important part of a better, more restful sleep. There are so many different pillow options out there: down feather, synthetic, memory foam, pillows for back sleepers, side sleepers, stomach sleepers, flat, soft, fluffy, dense. But the Oreous pillow adjusts to whatever you need. This revolutionary pillow is easy to use, adjustable to the exact thickness, height, and loft you desire, down to the micromillimeter. Never wake up with a stiff neck again. The interior of the pillow is constructed from thousands of microloops, which rebound 10 times faster than normal memory foam and 1,000 times faster than a typical feather-down pillow. So however you move around, you will have the reliable 360-degree head and neck support you need, thus eliminating all that back and neck pain. The exterior cover is 100% organic, made from Lenpur, a 100% natural, luxurious fiber which offers the comfort of silk, the touch of cashmere with the lightness of linen. This special antibacterial fabric naturally balances the heat production from your body, keeping you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The interior cover is made from a breathable, pure 100% cotton. It is made with an advanced 3D mesh band technology, which helps keep the pillow's shape and allow the internal microloops to flow freely within the pillow. This allows your pillow to give you the personalized responsiveness and support you need. We have spent the last 2.5 years working with experts around the world to revolutionize the sleep experience. With your support, we are ready to begin mass producing the Oreous pillow at an affordable price. We truly believe that the Oreous pillow is the end of your search for the perfect pillow.